In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a new project inside of Google Cloud Console. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to console.cloud.google.com. From here you'll simply need to log into your account, and once you get inside of your account, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll be able to go up to where it says organization up here, right beside the Google Cloud. From here you'll be able to see all of your recent organization and projects. Now from here you'll need to go up to the right hand corner and go up to where it says new project over here. Once from here, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll be able to add in the project name, you'll be able to add to the organization and the parent resource, where you can also choose the specific organization that you want to choose it to. From here you'll simply need to click create, and once you've done that, it should look something like this, where you can see the notification up here will be visible and created the project right here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!